Hello, today we're gonna make raw vegan cheesecake. It's very simple and it's plant-based. So the verse that I have for you guys is 1 Corinthians 10:31, which says, "Whether therefore ye eat or drink, or whatsoever ye do, do all in the glory of God." We're gonna keep that in mind. And first we're gonna start with our crust, which is 2 cups of walnuts, like these ones right here, and 2 cups of dates, pitted. And then you're gonna put that in a blender or a magic bullet, and it's gonna make a paste like this. And you're gonna put that in your pan where you're gonna put your cheesecake at. Put that in here. And it's okay if it has chunks of walnuts, depending how you like it. And you're gonna get a little spatula. Or you can use your fingers. Now we're gonna start with our cheese filling. You can soak these cashews overnight if you want. We're gonna use 2.5 cups of cashews. Cashews are great for actually doing the cheese sauce, or great source of protein. And there you go, 2.5 cups. There you go. And then you're gonna use coconut oil, and you can use this. It's unrefined cold press is the best flavor that you can use, because it's not refined and you don't really taste it. You don't really taste the coconut. So you can put this in a small pan with water, and then it'll melt pretty good, and then it'll look like this. So you're gonna add 3/4 cup of coconut oil and 1/4 cup of lemon juice. There you go. And 1/2 cup of agave nectar. So 1/2 cup. And there you go. I'm gonna add that on there. Use my little spatula to get all the good agave nectar. You don't want to miss anything. There we go. Gets a little bit of crumbs in there, but it's alright. It's going to be all blended. And then you want 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add that in. It's probably a little bit more, but you can just add in for flavor. Like that. And stir that in there. It's all blended. Alrighty, now that we have all our ingredients in, we're going to blend this until it's a thick, creamy paste. Depending on your blender, you can always blend for a minute, 2 minutes, or until smooth. And this looks like it's done. Okay, let's pour that in here. Wow, that looks so good. Let's see. And actually, if you don't want to do a cheesecake, you can just use this as pudding or like yogurt. Put some strawberries or blueberries. Just mix that together. And there you have it. And you want to put this in the freezer for about 2 hours, or until firm. And then you're gonna cut it out. Till I made one before, and it's gonna look like this. And that's raw vegan cheesecake, and it's an awesome source of protein and vitamins and minerals. So hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you.
Did this video make you hungry? Subscribe to our YouTube channel, because on there you will find food that if you eat, you will never hunger again. We have more healthy cooking videos coming soon. Let us know what other dishes you would be interested in learning how to make. You might see it in our next video. Also, send us your favorite vegan recipe. We would love to hear what our viewers are cooking in their kitchens. Don't forget to share this video with at least one friend so they can see what a vegan meal really looks like.